Hey Alka lovers, I'm about to show y'all how to make these quick and easy homemade vegan tortillas. Literally 4 ingredients and they are so good, so easy. And look at these, they're so flexible, like I could fold it without it even ripping. So bomb, okay? Before we get into this video though, make sure you subscribe for more recipes. So let's get into it. We're going to need white spelt. I use spelt flour instead of white flour because it has nutritional value. It's healthier for you. And I like white because it also allows the tortilla to be flexible. We're going to need avocado oil, sea salt, and some water. So we're going to have 1½ cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1½ tablespoon of avocado oil, and 1/2 cup of spring water. Go ahead and mix this up. You're gonna need your hands. Your hands gonna get dirty, so use your hands and mix this all up until you get a ball of dough. Then we're going to roll out the dough into round tortillas. Some of them are not gonna be perfect, okay? But it's fine because they still gonna taste good. That's all that matters. Ooh, look at these tortillas, okay? That is perfect. I got about 10 tortillas from this batch, but you may get more, you may get less, depending on how thick you roll out your dough. Then we're going to put it on the cast iron. Now, you don't need any oil, okay? Just heat up the cast iron on medium heat, and then put your tortilla on it. You know when it's time to flip it because the tortilla will start to lift and form some bubbles, and then you can go ahead and flip it. And that's it. Super easy, super quick, and bomb, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.